Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 3,712 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with RC exhaust slip-on mufflers, an open-air intake, smoked front turn signal lenses, a windshield, 12-inch handlebars, chrome switch housings, aftermarket grips, passenger foot pegs, and a luggage rack. It comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, cruise control, and CB intercom connections, as well as a reverse gear. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque on tap. If you're looking for a comfortable, powerful factory trike with classic styling and comfortable amenities, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty.